Welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy, and today I'm participating in an open collaboration that is called the Coffee Station Open Collab that's hosted on a seasonal basis. The host is Kimberly over at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, and her co-host is Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner. Now this year, my coffee station is playing a dual role, and I've set it up also as a breakfast bar. So let me go ahead and get started. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Also, I would like to give a special thanks to Kimberly and Kenya for hosting this collaboration. And I do ask that you stop by their channels and check out what they have to offer for their coffee stations for the Christmas season. There's also going to be a playlist, and on that playlist, you will get all types of other inspiration for how to style out your coffee station for the Christmas season. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.